Greetings everyone, today I am going to show you state-of-the-art open source locally runnable text-to-speech application. It is called as Whisper TTS Premium application by SECourses. However, with today's update, now we are supporting Canary model as well, NVIDIA Canary Qwen 2.5 billion parameters. Let's make a quick demonstration. So this is my latest tutorial video. I have dragged and dropped it. The default parameters are all set for maximum quality, so generate subtitle, and let's watch live how it is being transcribed. It is starting. Okay, and the transcription started quickly. It is really fast, and it is the best quality, best accuracy speech to text model right now. So as we can see live, it is currently transcribing my video fully automatically. Currently it is transcribing as 40-second chunks, but if you want smaller chunks for better subtitles or whatever reason, you can go to advanced parameters and change the chunk length to whichever parameter you like 20, 30, 10, 50. It is up to you. And the file is about to be generated. So this application is amazing. It is supporting so many features, like you can get with multiple file formats, but we should have started that way. Okay, let's cancel generation and start again because it is fast, and generate subtitle file. So it will generate all these formats and save with all of them. It supports full batch processing, so you can give a folder path and output folder path. It will process all the videos and audio files inside that. You can also include subdirectories, overwrite existing files. It supports YouTube URLs, microphone, live transcription, some translation, but it is not very good, and BGM separation. So you can also save and load your presets from here, fully saving and loading presets. So we support all of the advanced parameters you can also set, but these parameters are automatically set to best defaults for both Whisper models and also Canary model. For example, if I change the model from here, Canary to Whisper, the advanced parameters will be accordingly changed according to the model. Meanwhile, it is transcribing again. Let's see the difference between NVIDIA Canary Qwen 2.5 billion versus Whisper Large version 3, which is the latest version of the Whisper model. So currently Canary Qwen 2.5 has 5.91% global word error rate. I have tested these on my tutorial videos, so this is a real test. I am not a native English speaker, therefore it is harder to accurately transcribe speech to text my voice. However, it did an excellent job. You see, the global word error rate of the Whisper is much bigger than the Canary. Moreover, the Canary speech to text speed is much faster. This is 46 times faster than real time, which means 46 minutes of speech is transcribed in 1 minute. You can see the values. So the Canary model is much better at every statistic compared to the Whisper. And there are individual test results as well, as you are seeing. So I did run big tests like 1 hour, like 5 minutes, like 13 minutes, 55 minutes, and I did get the overall averages. In few cases, the Whisper did perform very slightly better, as you can see. So this new model is my recommendation. Use it as a default model. Moreover, it is also default set in our application. So let's look at the results because the transcription has been completed. When you click the open outputs folder, it will open you the outputs folder. You will see the transcription names are same as your input file name. So we have VTT format. You can see VTT format. And as you can see, it is also having proper uppercase and lowercase characters as well. Also having the accurate syntax or punctuation as well. I mean, you see installer's zip file. This is amazing. It also supports TXT format, as you can see, or TSV format, as you can see, our classic subtitle format, SRT, or LCR format. So we support all of the formats. Currently, this model doesn't have word level timestamps, but Whisper also has it if you need word level timestamps. So this application is the ultimate, very best application right now. How you are going to install and use it? We have an excellent page as usual. The link will be in the description of the video. Download the latest zip file. Before starting installation, make sure that you have read and follow the requirements. So the requirements are here, Windows requirements. We need Python 3.11. Moreover, you need Git. CUDA and C++ tools probably won't be necessary since I have pre-compiled all the libraries and all of my applications installed into a virtual environment. So move the latest zip file into wherever you want to install. So let's install into our Q drive T2. Do not have space characters in your installations. Extract files here. Then all I need to do is Windows install and update .bat file. So it will fully automatically install everything for me. It will generate a virtual environment and install all the libraries inside here. So it is fully isolated. The models will be automatically downloaded into models folder when you first time run them. All of them will be fully automatically downloaded. For RunPod, we have RunPod SimplePod instructions. Please follow these files. It has all the instructions as you can see. We also support Massed Compute. Please follow this. If you have a Linux user, use the Massed Compute install sh file. If you don't know how to use RunPod or Massed Compute, our latest tutorial in details explain how to use them, so you can follow the ultimate guide to AI voice cloning tutorial. This tutorial has full chapters, so you can go to video description and find the SimplePod RunPod part if you don't know, or Massed Compute part. For example, let's search for Massed Compute. So the Massed Compute part starts here and the RunPod Compute part starts here. So you can follow this tutorial to learn how to install and use this application or all of my applications on RunPod and Massed Compute. The installation on Windows will be very fast as you can see because we are using UV installation and it is already completed. Now all you need to do is just double click Windows startup.bat file and it will start the application and it will be right away ready to use. So the application started. Let's make a test and see how it downloads automatically the model. So I have selected my video. This supports both videos and audio files. Canary is selected. It is all default. You can also set all of the options that you want and generate subtitle file. This is the fresh installation. So first it needs to download model. Okay, as you can see, the model download started. So it will download the model. It is around 5 gigabytes. For this new model, it is downloading pretty fast. It depends on your internet connection. Once the download has been completed, it will start. I can see that it is using my entire internet right now. It is using 1 gigabits per second. So after this download, we will see the transcription started on a fresh installation. I am making all of my applications extremely easy to install, set up and use. You can find our Discord server in the link in the source post. You see we have Patreon exclusive post index, plus we have SECourses Discord. When you click this link, you will get to our Discord page. And in the index page, you can see all of our applications. We have more than 100 unique applications and we are adding more and keeping all of them up to date and working. All of my applications works on RTX 5000 series as well. Just make sure that you have updated NVIDIA driver because CUDA 13 requires updated NVIDIA driver. For example, when I type NVIDIA SMI, I should see an updated driver like this and I should see CUDA version 13 or bigger on this screen when I type NVIDIA SMI. Make sure that it is like this. Alright, so our transcription started with the fresh installation. As you can see, it is working amazingly. This model requires a lot of requirements, but I have made it so easy and so fluent to install and use. Start using right away. The models are automatically downloaded both for Canary Canary from NVIDIA with Qwen 2.5 and both for Whisper. Even the other models like diarization and some background remove or other features that we support, all of them is fully automatically downloaded and done. Transcription almost completed. You can see the speed, it is just amazingly fast. I like this model, so this model is my now new default model, but always you can also use other models to test. If you encounter any issues, just message me from Patreon or from Discord or from YouTube, leave a comment. Check out all the features of the application. One another thing that is we are starting the process as a sub process. Therefore, after the transcription has been completed, there will be absolutely zero VRAM leak or the RAM leak. So this is a very big advantage. If you don't want as sub process, you can uncheck that box, but I recommend to run as a sub process because it is extremely effective. The transcription speed is amazing with this new Canary model, but always you can switch to the Whisper and use all of these Whisper models. One advantage of Whisper is that it supports 100 different spoken languages. However, if you are going to transcribe English audio, I recommend you to use Canary. Our interface, as I have said, supports both audio and video files. I also show preview like this. This is a feature that I have coded. So this application is extremely improved by me. It has so many new features. You won't find this application anywhere else. And you can see that while I am recording a video, the transcription speed was 12 times real time. So 27 minutes took only 2 minutes to transcribe. Most of the time is spent for loading the model into the VRAM and starting transcription. We can also see that it is entirely cleared. The RAM, VRAM, everything is cleared. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will start making more videos. Please open the bell, subscribe. You can also download the transcription from here. You see it is downloaded as a zip file and it includes all of the transcription files. This is very useful when you are working with RunPod or Massed Compute. Thank you so much. Hopefully see you later.